city miss school or don't go to school because of hunger. And I promised if I became governor, I would make sure that no child misses school because of hunger. I am proud to say today that program that people laughed at when we launched, we broke ground and we built 10 kitchens. Today we serve 200,000 children every day at 5 shillings, at only 5 shillings. We're building now 7 more kitchens. And